today, bringing you a video with a clip and a game. The clip, well, we're going on a win streak, and in between games, we're getting able to shoot around, so I'm testing out a different move. I'm trying something out, and we get to a game where we're playing some lower level people, so I'm just like, hey, let me test out this move. I test it out, and you'll be able to see what happens. And then as for the game, we were on that streak. We're feeling good. We're talking. We're happy. We're feeling like we're going to be able to do a lot more. And then we run into a team that has all level 40s, which is the max level you can get to. And they're all in the skeleton outfit, which is difficult to see. So we finally get some comp. Can we continue our streak? Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
He's sitting on the side of me.
I want a shot.
Oh, do your fadeaway. Go for it. Oh, this is it. This is the one we waited for. He prayed for 25 minutes. hey, man.
This shit was so good. Let's go.
Hey,
like that, you know what I'm saying? Like that.
Hey, you put that court ball doing step back, babies out of bounds, greening.
And it was as the shot clock going. It's a good stretch right now.
Y'all choosing 120, what y'all won?
Let's see.
23 games? I up that game.
Oh shit.
Oh, well, boy.
Oh shit.
It was a good streak. It was a good streak. I had fun. Cause we not winning this one. Ain't no way. We win this one, boy. We comp.
Oh my
and the whole team, DPL.
We didn't need this. We didn't need this.
Where the fuck these niggas came from?
I don't know. They all over 40. They've been sweat.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
They must be streak busters or something. But it was can't even see these skeletons. Come on, Adam. Let's go.
Yeah, we gotta play. We actually gotta play this one.
I can barely see. I hate these skeletons.
Alright. We gotta really play this one.
We win this game, boy. Are we comp?
Alright, I'm not helping
Grab
off on
defense.
twos. I'm staying at the 3-point line.
We'll give up twos all game long. Oh, nah, he don't want it. I'm there, right?
Get the board.
I can't even see these skeletons. I hate them. I really don't like them. They need to make them black or something. Are they all smalls?
Yeah,
I can't tell the size they are or nothing.
Yeah.
There's 3 smalls? Okay.
Well, maybe the big is not, because he's got glasses. So he's probably a power forward.
Like 5'8".
He's probably a power forward.
You on the roll? Well,
here we go. Let's go. Let's get this. Let's
No
get this.
No threes when we got this game.
Don't worry about hitting square when he's dribbling at him.
I ain't hitting square. I'm just going to try to stick on him and see what happens.
Sound like the police.
Y'all in that pick and roll. Y'all stalking him alone.
Sound like the police.
MJ and MJ.
Oh, I was trying to bait him.
I'll go 2 for 2 all game with y'all.
I was trying to bait him, bro. Little ass bitch. Little ass bitch.
Ganks? You can barely even see him on the court. And they're level 40 already, all 3 of them.
Oh,
what?
God.
Okay, I'm there, though. I'm there. I can't help that. Just y'all keep doing y'all thing, but we'll be alright. Just keep reading pick and roll, right?
Go up, nigga.
No.
Oh,
God, I was scared. I'm gonna get stopped. I got on that. Give me one shot.
I was not liking my animation. That was why I was like, oh, fuck.
Hey, bro, his guy good. Might even his ass, one or the other. As long as we keep scoring, we okay. Some we don't score. You got a little one.
Yeah, he has perimeter launcher.
Oh, okay, I didn't know that.
Don't mean shit.
Ain't no perimeter lock.
Don't mean shit. That ain't no perimeter in there.
Oh,
No.
oh shit, he got me. Ooh.
Baited.
Yeah, just don't
Jebaited.
jump. Oh, that's what.
Oh, why you getting
Why
square?
did I
Don't even
hate
hit
playing
square.
point? Oh, well, I was just faster than me at 99 speed. How do we get 2-2 if we win? I think.
Go, go, go.
Oh, we didn't. Oh, you should don't. No.
Good, good.
Probably one stop, bro. How many got RQ? Maybe I'm holding no too much.
Just don't let him get it to you. Got these games. Don't jump.
Because they wouldn't get a 3 up. I mean, because if they come in and crash, it'll be over corner 3. And then rather play 2s, we're up, so you rather play 2s. Just trade 2s, you get up a 3. Game? Yeah, they gotta get a 3 here.
Yeah. Well, they have to get a 3 and a stop. Really just.
I'm not worried about it. I really don't care. He have all the points. I don't think he doing it. They pick and roll right. We good. Oh god. Oh
you
shit.
froze again.
I thought you
No,
were
he
gonna
didn't
go
go
up with
He
that,
didn't
dude.
I want to go.
Chris, I'll get later. Oh, we're good. Y'all come on, good.
That's wet.
He missed.
Real
Good, y'all
good.
come on, good. We're good. To make that. Here we go. He jumped.
What the
Oh, I got a
Ooh, thank
foul.
God, boy. Thank God.
What
Oh,
the fuck?
shit. Okay, they're holding it
my
now.
God. There's no three. We got this game.
What?
I'm there. I don't know. I'm there. I don't know. We got you 3 now.
Okay, holding us.
Come on, Ivan. You started with
Great!
finish it.
Be great!
Baby.
Be great!
Can you imagine being that split with the people with 12 percentages? We higher than that, but y'all get what I'm saying.
They're probably just like, how the hell are they on this streak?
They got us easy though. For us, we'll get around the skeletons and scare him. I may have 18 though, I ain't gonna lie. He shot every shot.
What do you mean
Cooking
18?
me.
He had 21.
Oh, shit. 21? Oh, we won. Oh, we had 20. Okay, we had 20. He had 21. Shit. Do you think it's
And
him in the corner?
hey, he had 21 and he lost.
And he
Lost.
lost.
Hold that
L.
L.
They run.
Hold the
I hit
L.
both my 3s. That was clutch. I'm talking about that comp in 2K. Nah, he shot every shot. They just sat cornered the whole game.
Alright, thank you for watching. If you like the clip, if you like the gameplay, go ahead, comment, like, and subscribe. Hopefully I'll be bringing some more gameplay highlights to you soon.